Hi, this is Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and today we'll be looking at the Anker USB-C to Lightning adapter. So imagine you've got a MacBook Pro or iPad Pro 11-inch or the 12.9-inch, and you've only got a pair of Lightning earphones such as these with a Lightning adapter on it. And you want to listen to music on these, but you can't plug that into your MacBook Pro or your iPad Pro. You'll need a USB-C adapter to Lightning socket. And this is from Anker, and it does that purpose. It does both audio and the microphone as well on this specific headset. And my initial reasons for looking into this was basically I've got the iPad Pro filming me right now, and I wanted to plug this into my iPad Pro and then plug in a Lightning lava lapel microphone into it like this basically, and plug that into my iPad Pro, record on my iPad Pro, and have this lava mic on my person and record audio. Sadly, this doesn't work. So I haven't got many other Lightning devices to try this out on. So I can't really say if any other USB Lightning microphones or earphones will work. But for now, the Lightning, Apple's own Lightning earbuds are mainly for this purpose and for this purpose only. And I'm not sure if any other Lightning devices will actually work as you might have thought they would. So if you're looking for a adapter to convert your Lightning earphones and allow you to play them on a MacBook or an iPad Pro, and you don't want to spend any more money on anything more like a more expensive Bluetooth headphones perhaps, this will sort you out with your free earphones that you got with your iPhone. You'll be able to get one of these and allow you to use these and the microphone on your MacBook or iPad Pro. Alright, so if you're looking for that on its own and it won't really do much else on any other device that we've tried at least, the Anker USB-C to Lightning adapter may be for you. Alright, look out for our full review on CarPlayLife.com, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.